The CM-36dG Spectrophotometer from Konica Minolta Sensing is a highly accurate, easy-to-use benchtop instrument that allows users to measure color and gloss in the same reading. The CM-36dG comes with a zero-cal tube, white calibration plate and black gloss standard, 4 target masks, an AC adapter, and communication cable. When connecting the first time, check which communication port has been assigned by opening Device Manager. You can do this by right-clicking on the Windows Start icon in the lower left corner and select Device Manager from the pop-up list. Scroll down to Ports, COM and LPT, and expand the tree to see which port the instrument has been assigned. Close Device Manager and open the software. Select Instrument, then Communication Setup. This will open the Serial Port Setting window. From the Port drop-down menu, select a correct COM port. Leave all the other settings to default and click OK. After this initial setup, you can connect by simply clicking the Connect button using the F5 key on the keyboard or selecting Connect from the Instrument drop-down menu. Once the software is opened and communication is established, select the instrument measuring mode, color and gloss as follows. Select Instrument Settings from the Instrument drop-down menu. Change the measurement type to reflectance. Change the measurement mode to color and gloss. Click OK to confirm the settings. Now, calibrate by clicking on Instrument in the top toolbar and in the drop-down list, choose Calibration. This will bring up a dialog box for the type of calibration to be performed. Following the dialog box prompt, attach the zero calibration tube and click to start the calibration. When zero calibration is finished, follow the prompt to attach the white calibration plate. When positioned, click to start the calibration. Note: if the optional wavelength analysis and adjustment function is activated, there will also be an automatic WAA progress bar after the white calibration is completed, showing that it is going through the analysis and adjustment procedure. When white calibration is finished, follow the prompt for the gloss calibration. Position the gloss standard, then click to start calibration. When the calibration is finished, you will see the 60-degree gloss symbol light up on the display panel, indicating the gloss unit is calibrated. A blue light over the measure button will also indicate the zero and white calibrations were performed. You can physically press the measure button on the instrument shown here, or use software to activate the measure button electronically without ever touching the instrument. You can also use the software to turn on the target mask recognition option. When this is active, you can change the mask on the instrument, and it will automatically update the mask indicator on the instrument's display. The CM-36dG offers a port that opens and closes to provide either SCI or SCE measurements, a wide transmission chamber for easier sample placement or measurement of larger samples, vertical positioning to measure samples in a petri dish as shown. The CM-36dG provides users with ease of use and the capacity to measure color and gloss in one reading with unbeatable reliability. For more information